Welcome back to Further Solutions Academy. Further Solutions Academy. Encourage us more to share our video anywhere you see it, and also subscribe. If you have not subscribed before, kindly press on your subscribe button for direct updates. At this point, we have over 300 videos on our channel. It means you can come here and learn any topic of your choice: mathematics, physics, chemistry, any topic so far. On this video, I'll be working on word problems on fraction. Word problems on what? On fraction. Now, in my previous video, I've explained what is called fraction, mixed fraction, proper fraction, improper fraction, and some operation on that particular fraction. But this time around, I'll be working on what? On what problems on mixed fraction. You can reach us with this line just in case you want to reach us. You can do three things with this line. You can call us, you can WhatsApp us, and also Telegram is allowed. Either of the three, you are good to go. Okay, word problem. Now, when we talk about word problem, it means the problem will come in an applied form. It will come in an applied form that you have to apply to the real life situation. Now, for instance, look at this question. Okay, look at this question. 3/4 of a number added to 2.5 of the number gives 13. Find the number. We have option number A as 4, option number B as 5, C as 6, D as 7. Now, I want to solve this problem. It's a word problem which is under fraction. Now, if you want to solve any given word problem, number one, you must be able to know the kind of problem, identify the problem. That is very, very important. Now, when you see a 3/4, it means 1/3 of something. 1/4. 3/4. It means 3/4 means 3/4 of a number. You don't know it. That is x. The number is s. 3/4 of s of a number added plus. Can you see the way I'm solving it one by one? Added to 2.5. 2.5. 2.5 of the number gives 13. That is all. That is how to treat word problem. By so doing this, I think we have 3x/4 plus 5/2x equals to 13. Now, which I can now say that this one will give me, multiply all through by 4. Well, yes, if I multiply all by 4, I have s plus, I have 210x equals to 13. This will be what? 13. This one will be 52. When I multiply everything by, I'm multiplying everything by 4, by the LCM, by 4, it means I'll be having 13x equals to 52. It means divide both sides by 13. My x equals to 52 divided by 13. Now my x equals to 4. Now my x equals to 4. Can you see? That is my value of s. It's an equation because of what? Side A must be equals to. You can try to check. How do I check? I've told you that earlier before that you have something like this. You just make sure that side A equals to side B. Please make sure you try that. Now, another question that will really help us to okay, look at this question also. Look at this question. The other question also. Solution. Let's try to work it out. They receive 3/5 of sum of money, Tolu 1/3 of the remainder, while Dami took the rest. Full stop. If Dami's shares is greater than Tolu's share by 3,000, how much did Dele receive? That is a very nice question, which this type of question can be given in any exam. Now, how much, in what problem, you must learn to tackle the words, like identify what the question is asking, ability to understand the question very well. What you are really working towards is how much did Dele receive? That is your problem. Now, how do I go? By analysis. I can say that the amount of money is not given, which we are not having. This 3,000 is Tolu shares by 3,000. This one is not. If Dami shares is greater than Tolu share by 3,000, this is not the amount of money they are sharing. Three of them are sharing. That is very, very important. What I will do is that let the money, or let the amount, let the money by X. Let money be X, or let money by X. Okay. Now, since I have it, it means Dele's share will now be equals to therefore will be equals to 3/5 of that amount, which is now Tolu share will also be Tolu share, it will be 1/3 of X of now, this is very important. Tolu 1/3 of the remainder, while Dami took the rest. Okay, now it means 1/3 of 1x minus 3/5 of x, that is very, very important. Now, the next thing I will now do is that that is to say 1/3. Okay, 1/3. Now I want to find something here. Okay, what next? That is to say 2/3, 2/5 of x minus 2/15 of x, which is it will be equals to 15. That will be, here will be 2, here will be 5. That will be 4/15 of x. Now, the last statement, is Dami. Now, that means is shared minus Tolu share, which is equals to the amount, which is 3,000 naira. That is what we need to do. Now we have this will be 2 of x minus, that means on is 2/15, which is going to be 2/15. Yes. We have 2/15 of x equals to 3,000. Now, by so doing this, I will be having the answer is this, which is going to be 2x/15 equals to 3,000. Now, it means my x equals to 3,000 multiplied by 15/2, which is 1,500. Okay, that will be which is going to be that, and my x will now be equals to, when I press my calculator, I have 22,500 naira. That is the share. That is the amount of money that now if I'm to work on daily's share now, I need me to rub this side. Now daily's share will now be equals to daily's share will now be 3 all over 5 of x, which is equal to 3 all over 5 of 22,500, which I'll be having 13,500. That is what daily is sharing. That is daily what is collected. That is all. That is all. Now, that is all you need to understand. That is all about that. You can get the one of Danny, also Tolu and Dele. That is all about that. Now, another question. Okay, I have this question. What fraction of 5 weeks is to 5 days? 5 weeks to 5 days. A, we have 7. B, we have 1. C, 1 all over 6. D, 1 all over 7. And E, 1 all over 10. Now, this is a very simple question that somebody can give you in any exam. Now, what we need to do is that 1 week, we all know that equals to what? 7 days. 7 days. Take note of that. Now, somebody is now asking you, what fraction of weeks would that give you in 7 days? It means 5 weeks will be equals to 7 multiplied by 5 in days. That is very, very important, which I'll be having 35 days. 35 days. Now, 5 days fraction, which is 5 days fraction of 5 weeks will be equals to 5 all divided by 35, which it will be equals to year 1, year 5 times that will be 7. 1 all over 7. That is the answer. That is the answer of that part. Okay. Now, before I end this part, let me try to show 2 or more questions if possible, if time permits me. If time permits me, let me try to show 1 or 2 or more questions. Okay, look at this question. Okay, look at this question. A man left 5,720 to be shared among his son and 3 daughters. Each daughter was 3 all over 4 of the son's share. How much did the son receive? How much did the son receive? That is the problem you are working towards. How much did the son receive? How do I go? To me, to solve this problem, it will be like this. Now, I can say let the son be, shared be P. Each daughter share be, each shared daughter will be 3 all over 4 of P. 3 all over 4 of B. P. Now it means the 3 daughters share will be 3 all over 4 of P, which it will be equals to 9 all over 4 P. 9 all over 4 P. Now, I would like to that sum of shares will be equals to total amount. Total amount. That is to say, of that boy, son, plus 9 all over 4 of P, which it will be equals to 5,720 naira. Now, which by so doing this, I'll be having 13. It will be 13 P divided by 4 equals to. Now, since I have this, it means P will be equals to 5,000 multiplied by 4 all over 13. 4 all over 13, which I'll be having, with the help of my calculator, I'll be having, I'll be having 1,760. My P equals to what? 1,760 naira. My P equals to 1,750 naira, which is son's share. That is amount that the son is what is sharing. That is all. That is all about that. Okay, before I end this part, I think let me try to gather more questions. One more question for take home. Okay, look at this question. Now, I have this question here. A poultry farmer discovered that 1 all over 6 of the eggs laid by the bird in the farm were bad. Oh, wow, that's very bad. Find the percentage that were good. Find the percentage that were what? Good. Now, a poultry farmer discovered that 1 all over 6 of the eggs laid by the bird in the farm were bad. Find the percentage that were good. Now, solution to this problem. How do I go? Now, we have bad egg. Bad eggs. Percentage. You know what is called percentage already? It will be equals to 1 all over 6%. That will be of 100. 1 all over 6 of 100, which I'll be having. It will be equals to, my calculator will give me 16.66%. 16.66%. Now, I can also say that was good X percentage will be equals to 100, because we are talking about percentage, minus 6.66 all in percent. Now, which I'll be having 83 point. It will be 83 point. It will be 83.33% of good eggs. That is 83.33. That is all. Now I'll be stopping here. That is percentage bad and good. And find the percentage that were bad. It means percentage of those that are bad is 83.33%. Okay, this is a very nice video for you, especially for those that want to write exam, WAEC, GC, Becker, and so on and so forth. Try to be on this. It's very, very common. Don't forget you are home with further. Solutions Academy. Once again, thanks for watching.